Hey folks, how we doing? Thanks for checking out this video. This is a quick unboxing of the 2020 Apple MacBook Air laptop. This is the Apple with the M1 chip, 13-inch Retina display, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabyte SSD storage, backlit keyboard, FaceTime HD camera, Touch ID. It's got it all. So this is a really great deal on Amazon right now for Apple computers. It's kind of like getting the last year's model at a bit of a discount, right? Boom. Everything looks good. Packaging, boxing was great. This was delivered by U.S. Postal Service, which always makes me a little nervous. But this looks fantastic. The edges aren't beat in. They're still nice and crisp. No holes in the plastic. Now, you guys know what a great unboxing experience Apple has. It's all very aesthetic. Kind of an adventure too. It just leads you right through. So this is a great laptop for personal or travel business use. If I'm going to be working on something every day, I'd prefer a bigger machine. See, there's a tab right here with a bigger screen, but this is great for travel use. It's super lightweight. This is the 13-inch Air. We'll set that there. Keep going through the box here. This is your owner's manual and sticker and all that sort of stuff. This is the power block. This is a little bit smaller than the MacBook Pro as far as power blocks goes. It's got the C+ plug there. Oops, there's the tab. I'll just pull those tabs. Set that right there, and that should be it. Yep, and there's nothing else left in this box. That is it. So this is what you get on this purchase. Let's take a quick look at the types of plugs that you can plug into this computer. No plugs in the front. Audio jack on the right side. 2 C+ ports on the left side. Nothing in the back. And of course, if you want to upgrade your machine, you can just take this back plate off, replace parts. All right, so this is the 2020 Apple MacBook Air laptop. This is has the M1 chip with a 13-inch Retina display. Great machine, just ordered it. Like I said, this is 2020, so this one's a year-old model, but it's a really great deal right now, and it's perfect for travel, light use, students, email, searching, streaming, that sort of thing. So definitely recommend it to a friend. Great product.